Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So I've got a rebrandable book that you can add into your funnel. So if you join me with this new powerful marketing tool that I've been promoting on my YouTube channel recently. So basically guys, you're going to get this viral PDF. This is exclusive to our team and you're going to be able to hand this out as a free gift. This is going to crank up your conversions. And what it's going to basically, this is the viral lead magnet system, but it basically goes through and helps your leads to understand the power of 100% commissions and what we've got in this system that we're giving away. So it's a short, simple PDF that they get to download. This is what they're going to be able to get access to as a free gift. Now, this is a lead magnet, and you're going to be able to add this to your funnel. So it's actually currently in the share codes on this page. So I've got the share codes here and I've added this new page here, right here. But this page connects to your existing email follow-up series. So if you've added the email follow-up series for the Leads Leap right here, then you've got two options. You can either make a brand new list. All I've done is I've only changed the master copy on my side, but it's only the first email. So only the first email has been changed to allow them to download that book. So there's no change in redirect. They're still going to the same through the same funnel, and all the other pages work in the same way. So if you edit your existing email list that you've got set up here, either bring in this in again and use that instead, or you can reach out to me and I can give you that first welcome message, because that's the only thing that's changed. And you can put that into your existing email list. It's up to you. But that's what I've done. If you want this page, you can have it. But this is the new page. This is what it looks like. And it's just got the extra graphic. It's got a slight difference in the text here. And on the next page, they redirect in the same place. Obviously, they get a free tour, and they get started in that way. So there's no change in that. But what they're going to need to do is they're going to need to check their email address. So when you get people coming through this, they're going to get an email. So the first email will be sending them that report. But if you've already come through this and you've already set yourself up, then you're going to have to change that first email, because as I say, you've got two options. You can either reach out to me and I can give you that email and you can add it into your system manually, or you can just go into the back office if you're already a student level member and you can grab the share code. You should see it in there. So not that one, sorry. Yeah, well, you'll need to do that as well. This is a prosperity marketing system page. So if you want to grab that, that's up to you. And also you'll be able to grab this list and add that list into Leads Leap. So actually the easiest option is to do this anyway, just to come in here, grab the list anyway, even if you're not going to end up using it, just so that you can get those follow-up emails, so that you can have a look at the first email, copy that out, and put that into your existing first email that's going out in your list that you're currently using, that's connected up with Prosperity Marketing System, if you know what I mean. So then you wouldn't need to change anything. And if you don't want to get in touch with me, you can do it this way. It's much easier rather than having to wait for me to get back to you with this and send it over to you. So hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just adding things in periodically, but this is a great lead magnet that you can use exclusive for our Prosperity Marketing System. It's just a download. It talks about the power of viral marketing, lead generation, specifically for Prosperity Marketing System, but it also allows you to understand about 100% commissions, which is the powerful thing about Prosperity Marketing System. But technically, it's actually not a rebrandable report, and you don't need it to be, because once the point you give it out to them, it's going to come in an email after they've already signed up anyway. So there's no point in having a link going to your page, because they're already under you. So there's no need to rebrand it. So that's why I've done it. The only link in here is that login link, just to remind them to log in, because they would have already gotten a free tour by this point. So it's really that simple. Anyway, hope that makes sense, and thanks for watching. Get in touch if you need to, but just if you're already a member, you can log into your back office of Prosperity Marketing System and you'll see the new share code there, and then you can import the Leadsleep share code again in another list. And then if you don't want to keep that, you can just delete the list just so that you can grab that first email, copy it out, put it into your welcome email for the list that you're using. Thanks. Cheers, guys, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.